Hi, I'm attorney Brenton Begley. I'm an attorney and partner with McIntyre Elder Law. And you've probably heard us throw around the term community spouse. So what does that mean? Well, that's a term in relation to some type of Medicaid benefit. They refer to the spouse that does not need immediate care as the community spouse or the healthy spouse. So the applicant spouse is the one that does need care, the one applying for Medicaid, and the community spouse is the one that doesn't need care for the moment. Now, why is this important? Well, it's good to know the nomenclature, right? If we're throwing these terms around, you should be familiar with them. But also, it's important to know that a community spouse can own a bunch of assets that the applicant spouse cannot own, right? A lot of people, when they look these things up, they maybe fire up Google and they say, what can I own and qualify for Medicaid? Well, there's a lot of answers that'll come at you, and those answers may be correct, it may not be correct, but even if you do receive correct answers, it's good to be able to contextualize those answers into how it actually works. So what you might find is that if you want to get qualified for long-term care benefits, you can only have $2,000 worth of assets. Well, that's true for the applicant spouse, but the community spouse can have a bunch of assets in their name and still qualify for care. Even money, even life insurance, even real property. In fact, the applicant spouse can have real property too, but we'll talk about that in a different video. It's important to know though that there's different classifications of these individuals when applying for Medicaid. And it's important to know that because if you do not understand that and you try to go about this on your own, you might be getting rid of assets that you could otherwise keep and qualify for benefits to pay for long-term care. So one of the strategies that we have and that you can do appropriately is to make sure you can protect assets under the name of the community spouse, okay? So if you have questions about how to qualify for Medicaid, how to protect assets, or what these complicated Medicaid-related terms mean, we're here to help. So if you want to, give us a call, 704-259-7040. We can explain all of this and more. You can also visit our website, mcelderlaw.com, for your free consultation today.